Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Madic from Gemini to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know Madic, short for Madic, is the fuel for the Polygon network, making transactions fast, cheap, and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your assets in no time. First things first, make sure you have a Gemini account set up with Madic in it, and that your Arculus wallet is installed and ready to receive funds. It's 2025, so double-check for any updated security features on both platforms to keep your crypto safe. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account using your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Wallet, section and select Madic from your holdings. You'll see an option to withdraw or send, click that. Now, for step 2, you'll need your Arculus wallet address. Open your Arculus app, go to the Receive section, and copy the Madic specific address. Paste this carefully into the withdrawal form on Gemini. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so no typos. Step 3. Enter the amount of Madic you want to send. Gemini might show you network fees, which are usually low for Polygon, but keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Review everything: address, amount, and fees, then hit confirm. Gemini will process the transaction, which should take just a few minutes on the Polygon network. Step 4. Head back to your Arculus wallet and refresh it. You should see your Madic arrive shortly. If it doesn't, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, stay updated on any KYC requirements from Gemini. That's it, you've successfully transferred your Madic. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.